Farewell to our Scottish fame, farewell our ancient glory. Farewell even to the Scottish name, so famed in martial story. Those our crowns o'er the Solway sand, and Tweed runs to the ocean. To mark where England's province stands, such a parcel rogues in a nation. What force or guile could not subdue through many warlike ages, is wrought now by a coward few for hireling traitor wages. The English steel we could disdain, secure in valor's station. But English gold has been our bane, such a parcel rogues in a nation. Oh, would nor I had seen the day when treason thus could sell us. My old grey heed would lain in clay, wi' Bruce and loyal Wallace. But pith and power till my last hour, I'll make this declaration. We are bought and sold for English gold, such a parcel rogues in a nation.